Productivity. I'm going to talk about productivity today. I was talked to by my mentor, Charles, this morning, very early, before my brain was actually working, and productivity. I'm putting on my Sedona Air hat today, and I'm going to take a water heater out and put a new water heater in. And I'm doing it with the Ultimate Carton Dolly. So this is how I do it, which makes it way faster for me as a contractor. This is the deal. This is the water heater, and it's this one's a little 30-gallon water heater, and I unhooked it, moved the gas line, and it's still full of water. I'm just going to pull it out, and I'm going to put it right on this cart. And since I'm doing this by myself and I don't have a stand for my phone yet, I'm going to show you the after, but I'm going to drain it after I get it out so I don't waste however long it's going to take this old water heater to drain. Time is money. Money can be used other places than standing here waiting for water to drain out of a water heater. Okay, so I just moved it from the back to the side, and my cart, awesome Ultimate Carton Dolly. This is one of the ones that I've had for years that I use, and it's 20 inches tall. So I'm going to be able to just slide this water heater right out of this furnace spot right onto the cart and wheel it away without hardly any effort. Just like that, I have it on the cart. Still full of water. I haven't even opened the valve yet. And now I'm going to just put it right on the cart, and I'm going to wheel it away, and then put it on the ground, and I'm going to grab the new water heater, and I'm going to put it in place, and I'm going to hook this up while this one's draining. So I don't want to be a dick. Okay, yeah, I do. I just pulled a 30-gallon water heater out of that crawl hole onto my cart in a couple seconds, and now this thing is full of water. I am going to move it to where I can drain it, and I'm going to put the new water heater in using my cart. Pretty damn easy. So now this is me moving the water heater. Gotta kind of be careful because they're tippy. Still full of water. If I had two carts right now, I could be putting the new one in, and I haven't drained this water heater yet. 30 gallons, full of water. I haven't drained it yet. And, yep, this is how I roll. Okay, so old water heater, new water heater. I'm just going to put that right on top of my cart, and then I'm going to stick the old one in my truck, and I'm going to drain it in the back of my truck. Could it get any easier? I don't know. My dad used to say, a penny saved is a penny earned. A penny saved is a penny earned. Let that sink in. Okay, coming out of the box, onto the cart. Okay, water heater out of the box. Old water heater still full of water. Don't forget that part. I'm going to put the water heater in the back of the truck, open the valve, let it drain while I'm installing the new one, and I'm down the road doing the next job. Make sense? Penny saved is a penny earned. Water heater is draining while I'm installing the new water heater. Me taking the water heater back to where it goes. Yeah, it's pretty hard. Like, the cart is carrying the weight of the water heater, and so all I'm doing is pushing it. It's like a little wagon. It's like a little red wagon. Like a little wagon. It's a little red wagon on steroids. I'm just gonna wheel it right back on the sidewalk, carport thing, and I'm gonna wheel it right back to where I just got the other one out of. Just like that. And I'm in place, and I'm going to slide it right into place. Right now, the plywood was beat up, holding the furnace level, and so I'm using the cart to cut my plywood. I don't need a stand or anything. Really safe. I'm out of the way. Everything's good. Oh,
You can call 928-300-5879 to place your order, and you can always learn more at ultimatecartanddolly.com.